Hi guys! Today we're making Rigatoni Bolognese, which is basically pasta and meat sauce. This is a delicious kid-friendly meal, and this version is also very quick and easy, and it will not disappoint. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 pound of rigatoni pasta, 1 pound of ground beef, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1 onion diced, 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 24 ounces of tomato sauce, and 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano and dried basil. Boil pasta for 10 minutes, drain and set aside. Heat oil over medium-high heat and brown ground beef. Season with salt and pepper. Break up the meat using your spoon or spatula. Cook until cooked through, drain excess liquid and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and saute onions and garlic. Season with salt and pepper and cook until softened. This will take about 4 minutes. Stir in dried oregano and dried basil. Return the meat back to the pan. Stir in the tomato sauce. Season well with salt and pepper. Remember, there's a lot of pasta going into this dish and you don't want it to be bland. Cover and let it simmer just for a few minutes. Bolognese sauce usually simmers for a few hours, but trust me, you can't tell with this shortcut version. Stir in the rigatoni noodles. I slightly undercooked these noodles because it's going to finish cooking in the sauce. I don't know if you're like me, but I like a good amount of sauce in my pasta. Cover and let simmer for another 2 minutes. You want the noodles to soak up all that delicious sauce. If you want the full recipe, I have everything written in the description below. Okay, you guys saw how easy it was to make this, and no simmering the sauce for hours. And it's also kid-friendly. What kid doesn't like pasta? Which is a win-win. This is optional, but while it's still hot, sprinkle over some mozzarella cheese. It will melt from the heat and add another level of deliciousness.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes and make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.